Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video, I'm going to show you the ways to open Barclays online banking account. So in order to open and register for Barclays online banking account, you have to follow the steps. First thing, you would go ahead and install the application. So for that, open up a respective app store and on the search box type in Barclays. When you locate the following application, you could go ahead and install the application, or else if you don't want to install it, you could also use the browser. So exit out of your Play Store and on the web address bar type in barclays.com. And when you type in the following link, it's going to take you to the official page of Barclays, which is going to look something like this. Now then, to create an account, you have to make sure that you already have a pre-existing bank account. Only then you'll be able to set up or open up an online banking account. So for that case, press the menu bar icon from the top right. So right on this page, you should be able to find a sign up button. So make sure to go through it and enter in all of the information that has been asked, such as your personal information, contact details, your financial status. Then you have to submit the request. When you've submitted the request within 24 to 48 hours, they'll look in your matter and you'll have successfully opened your Barclays bank account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.